Alright, so we are back again here with another video. We're doing this for the boys. Check out this wheel gap right here. So one thing I didn't like about the Model Y is it's like a 6-hole hand fingerprint. And I'm not trying to slam this, like the NSX is right here, but this, like, I mean, look at the difference. Right here, right here. It's a big difference. So we're gonna clean up the gap. The first thing we're gonna do is we have the induction wheels right here. So putting that real good, followed by, this is a really cool part right here. We have the MaXpeedrod group right here. And we have, the packaging is really nice. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. MaXpeedrods comes with the coilover adjustments, those for the collars. Ooh, they're really heavy duty coilovers. So this is going to be for the front struts. On the top you have compression right here. So ooh, I just love the color. Let me just bring this bad boy out here. So these are really solid. And they also sell the camber arms for the rear too. So check out how beefy these products are. The wheels are nice. The finish is nice. It's a textured black. We have these collars, super strong. I really like about what I liked about the MaXpeedrods is it actually comes with the top hats. So if you do look at mountain passes and KWs, you have to reuse it. So you have to use a spring compressor, and it's a lot of work to uninstall the OEM ones and remove the top hats. This one comes with the top hats, and it'll be really simple to swap back to stock if that's something you needed to do. So we have that for the fronts, and I can show you the rear setup. The rear setup is a little bit different. So the way the rears work is it's like divorced in a way where you have the spring by itself, which I have right here. So you have the spring, and then you have the, which looks beautiful there. I just love the coloring and of the MaXpeedrods. And then you have the damper. It's separate, and I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, so there you go. So you have right here that nice finish, and you have the adjustment right here for compression, and then you can do the height adjustment on this perch itself, and you can move it up and down. So that is going to be awesome. What they also include too are going to be these little these toe arm hook, toe arm stuff. So that's nice. That's included for front and for the fronts. And again, you get the collars for the rear too, for the springs, so you can adjust the height that way as well. And you get this nice pamphlet with the nice badging. Just kind of want to open it, show you guys real quick. MaXpeedrods since 2006. So here's the badging and then just the booklet. And the booklet is actually in color, so that's nice. Don't want to open it, it's kind of hard right now to open it, but yeah, the packaging is real good. Got everything you need right here. So I'm gonna be installing this real soon, especially when I get the there's one more part I'm waiting for, and it's gonna be the camber adjustments for the rears, because the front has camber adjustments but the rears don't. So once I get the camber adjustments for the rears, I'm gonna install these bad boys, and it's gonna be a real good look. Because again, actually my wife right here, she's filming. When she gets into the car, she kind of has to tippy toe. So even just lowering it like just a little bit. So I'm trying to maybe leave like a 2-finger gap. We're gonna do lower wheels. I might be painting the front calipers and the rear calipers, depending on how it looks. We're gonna do a full kit on this car. But if you wanna look around, a lot of projects with this car right here, and MaXpeedrods is gonna, I think the biggest look change you can do is lowering the car. So that's gonna change the whole look. And it's gonna be amazing. Let me get out of the sun for you guys. So in the end, thank you for MaXpeedrods for providing such a cool setup, because these the suspension, it's very affordable. So I'm gonna put a link down below. It's under $1,000, and you'll be able to pick up do everything without changing the top end. So that's what I was looking for. And the stock suspension is a little bit rough, so I'm curious on how these MaXpeedrods performance suspension is going to be. Is it more luxurious? It's going to be stiffer or more rough? Well, we're going to find out. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you're interested in this product, I'll put a link down below on where you can get the MaXpeedrods. And that's going to be the main mod for this car. Stay tuned. Thank you.